Today I'm going to show you some awesome recipes for food to accompany your barbecue. For the first one, we're going to take an aubergine or eggplant. This one's easy. We just wrap it up in foil and put it on the barbecue. We'll come back to this later in the video, but we need to put it on first because it takes a long time to cook. For the next one, I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary tomato ketchup into amazing burger relish. Start by chopping up half an onion nice and fine, then melt some butter in a pan and fry off the onion. When it's nice and soft and golden, remove it from the hob and leave it to cool. Next, take a gherkin and chop it up into nice little squares, same as we did the onion. Tip it into a bowl and add the onion in too. Now we need to add the ketchup, so squirt in a good glug on top. Then add in a squeeze of garlic puree, a teaspoon of whole grain mustard, half a teaspoon of paprika, and grind in a little pepper. Then mix it all together. And there's our burger relish. We'll be using this later when I build the ultimate burger. For the next one, instead of just cooking sausages straight on the barbie, why not do something a little different? I cut up some red pepper and yellow, then cut the sausage up too, and made a kebab out of peppers, mushrooms, and pieces of sausage. It's lovely and colourful, and it's a little bit different from just cooking the sausages alone. If you like, when these are cooking, you can also squirt over a little barbecue sauce to add some more flavour. Then leave them to cook, but remember to turn them. For the next one, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing coleslaw. We need to finely chop up cabbage, red onion, and grate carrot. Then mix it all up in a bowl, and if you want to, you can add some raisins for sweetness. Next, we're going to make the dressing by adding half a jar of mayonnaise into a jug, some whole grain mustard, garlic puree, a splash of water, then some turmeric and cumin seeds, and some sesame oil. Give it all a good stir. Then pour it over and mix it all together. And it makes a great accompaniment for your barbecue. Likewise, if you want to make potato salad, here's how. Peel your potatoes and slice them into smallish cubes. Then cook them in some boiling water until they're just cooked. We don't want them to be overdone or mushy. When they're cooked, pour in cold water to cool them down. Then drain them and tip them into a bowl. Add quite a bit of mayonnaise. If you like to, you can also use some natural yogurt and a spoon of mustard. Then chop up some chives, add them in, and mix it all together. Potato salad is delicious, and it goes really well with barbecues. It's now time to take the aubergine off. Make sure it's soft, and it needs to have been on there for at least half an hour, maybe longer if you can. Then carefully unwrap it into a bowl, cut it open, and mash up all the insides as much as you can. The longer you cook it, the more mushy it'll be. Add a squirt of garlic puree and a good drizzle of olive oil, and mix it all together. So, if your kebabs are cooked all the way through, they're ready to serve. And it goes great along with your potato salad, coleslaw, and aubergine squash. Pretty tasty, huh? And finally, if you want to make an amazing burger, you can load it like this. Start with the burger, add a layer of cheese, then some fresh lettuce, tomato slices, then a piece of barbecued bacon. Top it with the onion and gherkin relish we made earlier, and place on the bun. Believe me, this is one amazing burger. If you're a meat eater, you've got to try it. If you want to see how to barbecue a pizza, or make your own homemade ketchup, you can click on the link, and make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell if you don't want to miss future videos. Have fun, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.